Welcome back to CNR Reviews. I'm E-Rock, and today I'm going to be unboxing and testing out and reviewing this knife sharpener I found on, I think it was on Instagram actually, or maybe Facebook, one of those two. You know those video ads they have on there? I clicked on that and I ordered it through there. Okay, so this took about, I want to say about 7 or 8 days to get here. Now this is the one that you see on the video that I think they end up sharpening a card, kind of like a credit card or something. And that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to sharpen this, or test it, this gift card, and see if that works. Okay, so let's open this thing up. I can't remember how much it was. I have to post that in the description here. We're going to test this thing out. I just got it yesterday. The box is a little damaged, but it's okay. All right. Let's see what we got. Yeah, it's a little crumped up, but I mean, it should be pretty durable. We'll find out. All right, we got the little manual here. And is it stuck in here? What is this thing? Oh yeah, it's the box is a little cramped around it there. Okay. Pretty simple design, looks like. And it looks like these, they're just spring-loaded, which is a good idea, obviously, because as you put your knife through there, it adjusts to your blade, which is cool. All right, let's see. And then you got the, you can see the sharpening stones or areas on there. Let's check it out here. All right. Has a little diagram of how to do some of the sharpening on there. Serrated knives, fine sharpening, polishing. Okay. So let's try this thing out. All right, so right now I've got a couple tomatoes, and we're gonna see how these cut. That's usually what you test knives out on, because they're kind of soft on the inside and the skin is really hard to cut through. It's almost like plastic for a knife. Okay, so right now this, I know for a fact this knife is dull. I haven't sharpened it for a little while, and you can see, and I'm making some marks on there, you know, so I'm kind of pushing. All right, cut through a little bit, but okay. So let's try this out. Nothing yet. Still, not really. Maybe I'm not doing enough times here. And it's starting to cut through a little easier, but how many times I gotta do this thing now? The video shows this dude swiping this thing like twice, and it cuts through, like he drops a tomato on it, just, you know, it is definitely getting sharper. I can tell that for sure. But not, yeah, it's a little better. Okay. All right. Let's see here. Yeah, this one's pretty dull too. See, it's not cutting through there. The reason I got this is it would be nice to have something. Oh, that helped. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty good, actually. I would like to have something like this size on the to sit on the countertop next to the knife set that we could just use. You know, it's nice and small and it's out of the way, that we could use just to touch up some of the blades. That is better. Okay. That's working. I mean, the design is good. I knew the design would work well. It's just, it is a little flimsy plastic. You know, it's thick, but it's not, I wouldn't consider it like well made. It's not like a, you know, a lot of the, like these things right here, these arms are really cheap plastic, which is probably going to be fine because you don't really push on this thing. I'm assuming if you do different angles, yeah, it's not bad. Or maybe I wasn't pushing down hard enough all the way or whatever. It's not bad. It's definitely helping. I mean, it is definitely sharpening. And that one's already super sharp. And so is that one. So there's no point in testing that. All right, let's see if this thing works. Man, listen. You'd have to, I mean, it is taking some plastic off, for sure. No way. Ain't no way. You'd have to sit here for a while to do that. Unless I'm supposed to push really far down here. Let's see. The farther you push, you know, the farther down you push on it, obviously there's more tension on those arms. So, it is getting there. But it ain't ready to cut no fucking tomato, okay? Man, you ain't cutting no fucking tomato with this shit, okay? I'm just saying now. All right, it made a little cut. Well. This thing's gonna take forever. There ain't no way I'm gonna sit here for that long. I mean, it is definitely, you can see the, you know, it's definitely working on the plastic a little bit, but let's see here. Now that is sharp. That is definitely sharp. Yeah, that cuts through very easily. Yep. Okay. See, this one I didn't do all the way. Maybe I wasn't pushing down hard enough. That is better. That ain't working, bro. Okay. I don't know what kind of tomato they use in that thing, but no. All right. Even on these sharp ones, I don't know. No. And these are razor sharp. Okay. These things are like fucking, like I barely have to touch that and it just goes right through there. All right. So I don't know what kind of tomatoes they use on those videos where they drop it on the knife and it just whoosh, okay. It's like some laser cutting or something. But no, that ain't happening on this one. Well, anyway, it seems like it might be okay to leave on the counter for just touching up your knives, you know, if they're already kind of sharp. But if they're pretty dull like this one was, it's going to take a while. Now I have another sharpener. Actually, I'll do a review on that one as well. Just wanted to try this one out because it's so compact, and I thought I could just leave it on the counter next to the knife set and just kind of touch them up that way. And that's what I'm going to use it for. I will use it. It'll probably be good for just touching them up. I want to say for how cheap it's made, I think it was overpriced. And I'm a little disappointed with it. Just the construction of it is so flimsy. I will use it until it doesn't work anymore. And but anyway, appreciate you guys watching. If you're new here, like, subscribe, and hit the bell, all that good stuff. And we'll see you next time.